What are you doing for this project?
We chose a list of healthy foods to be presented in a nutritional booklet. The nutritional information of each food item chosen is going to be presented in the booklet.
Which app will you be using?
I will be using the app MyFood.
We chose design and layout from Publisher.
We chose a list of food items, normally 2 or 3 per letter in the alphabet.
We inserted the common name and where possible the scientific name.
We inserted the nutritional values and we included the nutrients, minerals and vitamins that are on the syllabus only.
We inserted photos were taken at home. For example, these photos were taken by Melanie.
We weren't able to take any pictures from the internet were used.